guys, I'm Dennis from Telnyx. Today I want to show you how you can embed text-to-speech into your calls using our APIs. What's cool with Telnyx is that you get access to a bunch of text-to-speech voice options from top providers like Google, Amazon, Azure. Plus, Telnyx has its own voices too. You can access to these all through a single API. And you get those same voices as about 1/3 of the price per character compared to using other CPaaS providers. Let's dive in and I will show you how easy it is to get started. If you didn't sign up yet, you can go telnyx.com/signup and sign up. Once you sign up, you will have access to our mission control portal. It's important to save your API key. You can create a new one here, and once you create it, please save it because you will not be able to access to it later on, and you will use this API key in the call comments. Let's go back. And you go real-time communications, voice, programmable voice, and let's create a new voice app. I will call this one text-to-speech demo. Just for the sake of this demo, I will create it very quickly and I will choose latency for the speed. For webhook, I like to use this web page, webhook.site, and then you can have your unique URL to test your webhook. You can of course use your own webhook, but just for the demo I'm using this one. I'm enabling a hang up time for 60 seconds and I will go ahead and create. You don't need to include here anything. If you want to change your codecs, you can, but I will go next, and for outbound I will choose a default one. Then I will assign the top number. I already have a number with Telnyx. If you don't have it, you can go to numbers, buy numbers, and then you can search country, features, type, area codes, and you can easily buy your number. But we will be back to our programmable voice, and here I will assign the top number. Okay, I assigned it. Okay, I need to get this application ID from the Voice API application that I created. I will copy paste it in my notes. And I also need my API key, which I took earlier. I will be deleting this API key later on, so you will not be able to use it. Then I go to developers.telnyx.com and programmable voice get started. This is my hello world example. This is just to make a call. I will copy it here. You need to update your API key, your connection ID, and then you also need to update these numbers. From should be the number that you use in your API application, and to should be the number that you will be calling from. Let's go to developers.com, voice, programmable voice, voice API tutorials, and text-to-speech. Here you can see the command for text-to-speech. I will be copying this one and adding it here. This part is your voice choice. You need to get your call ID during the call and your API key. So you can go to this page, developers.telnyx.com/API, call control list text-to-speech voices, and you can list all the text-to-speech voice options. Basically, you need to enter here your API key, add it in the terminal. You can see all the voice options. I would like to test a few different options for you, starting with Telnyx Natural HD and then comparing the voices with Azure and AWS. So let's go ahead and run a few examples so you can hear the difference yourself. I will try Telnyx Natural Astra, Polly Gregory Natural, and Azure Clara Natural. If you like to see these options, you can go under AI Assistant and create a new assistant. Basically go to our voice playground. You can hear the test.
Test the voice.
And then I can go to AWS. I choose this one actually.
Test the voice.
So you can hear the different voices here. We are planning to bring this voice playground under real-time communications voice programmable voice soon, but for now you can test the voices under AI Assistant Builder. Let's see it in live action. I'm gonna copy this first curl command, and once the call started, I will copy the call ID and I will copy paste it exactly here. So let's start with this. Then my phone started calling, but I will enter this here. And then hello, and then
hello, I am Astra from Telnyx Natural HD Voices. How may I help you today?
Perfect. Now I end the call. Let's do another test with Gregory Natural from AWS. So we will start with our curl command. Start the call. I just need to. I answer it, put it on speaker, and then I send my other curl command.
Hello, I am Gregory from AWS Natural Voices. How may I help you today?
So you heard another option. And we will finally try Azure Voices. I have API key, I have the text. Yeah, I will start with my curl command. And then I use this call ID. Answer, then
hello, I am Clara from Azure Neural Voices. How may I help you today?
So here you go. We just tested Telnyx Natural HD, AWS Polly, Azure, and you heard all of them in action for text-to-speech call. Personally, I think Telnyx Natural HD stand out. It has that warm, natural tone that feels more human and less synthetic. That wraps up our demo. Thanks for following along, and I hope this gives you some inspiration for what you can build next.